If you're planning to buy an action camera in 2026, stop right there, because not all action cameras are the same anymore. Some shoot in 8K, some record in full 360 degrees, and some are so tiny you can wear them like a button. So which one should you actually buy? Today, I'm breaking down the best action cameras you can get in 2026, from powerful traditional action cams to next-level 360 cameras and ultra-compact creator tools. Let's jump right in. Starting strong with the DJI Osmo Action 6. This camera is perfect if you want a traditional action setup that covers everything from running and biking to travel and POV vlogging. First off, it shoots up to 8K video at 30 FPS. Yes, 8K. That means insanely detailed footage, especially if you like cropping in post or future-proofing your shots. And thanks to DJI's rock-steady stabilization, your footage stays smooth even in rough action. One of the standout features is the dual OLED screens, a front screen for framing selfies, and a rear screen that's bright and easy to see outdoors. It also offers interchangeable lenses, so you can swap out for wider or more cinematic views if you want, something most action cams in this class don't offer. Waterproof right out of the box up to 10 meters, and with a battery life that routinely outlives competitors in real tests, the Action 6 is versatile, dependable, and great for almost any adventure. Next up, the GoPro Hero 13 Black. If you're into sports, motorsports, or just everyday rugged filming, GoPro remains one of the most trusted brands out there, and the Hero 13 keeps that legacy alive. It records up to 5.3K at 60 FPS, giving you extra smooth motion and flexibility in editing. The Hero 13 also has GoPro's hyper-smooth stabilization, which feels almost like gimbal footage even when handheld or mounted to helmets and bikes. GoPro has also really expanded its accessory ecosystem with optional lenses like macro filters and ND filters, so if you're creative or need specialized shots, you're covered. Waterproof to 10 meters without any extra housing, strong battery life, loop recording, GPS overlays, and great audio make this one of the most complete action cameras on the market. The app integration and quick editing tools are smooth too, not the flashiest, but reliable. Let's shift gears to something tiny, creative, and super fun, the Insta360 Go Ultra. This one packs a 1x1.28-inch sensor and shoots 4K at 60 FPS, crazy good for such a small device. But what makes it unique isn't just the quality, it's the form factor. The Go Ultra is modular, meaning the camera detaches from a small pod that has a 2.5-inch touchscreen. Slide it into the pod, top record, and you can frame shots without pulling out your phone. When it's off the pod, the cam is super light and wearable, perfect for chest mounts, head clips, or super creative rigs. It also comes with Insta360's strong AI editing tools, like auto highlight detection and crazy smooth reframing, ideal if you want quick social clips or dynamic first-person angles. The trade-off, smaller cameras usually don't handle low light as well as larger action cams, and battery life is more limited. But for small POV footage and easy social content, the Go Ultra is hard to beat. Now let's talk about 360-degree action cameras, and kicking things off is the DJI Osmo 360, DJI's take on panoramic captured worlds. The Osmo 360 captures up to 8K at 50 FPS in full spherical video using dual lenses, so you're literally filming every direction at once. This gives you the freedom in editing to reframe afterward, choose your perfect angle in post instead of during shooting. It also shoots 10-bit color, which helps with more professional color grading later, great if you're a creator who likes polish in your edits. Waterproof to 10 meters, same as the others, and compact enough to take anywhere. The one downside compared to some competitors is audio performance and accessory ecosystem, but if you want immersive footage that captures everything around you, this opens up creative storytelling you can't do with flat cameras. If you're serious about 360 degrees video, you can't talk about 2026 without mentioning the Insta360 X5. This camera builds on Insta360's mature software and editing tools, and people notice the difference when they see the results. It captures high-quality 360 footage with excellent stitching, meaning the two lenses blend almost seamlessly into one spherical image. The stabilization is buttery smooth, and unlike some entry 360 cams, you can extract traditional flat video from your spherical clip with tons of control, letting you reframe like a director in post. That gives creators freedom to choose shots they didn't think of while filming. The app and desktop tools are excellent for editing and AI-assisted reframing. You can even track objects or create dynamic zooms easily. And just like the DJI 360, the X5 is ready for rugged use, waterproof, and takes versatile shots, but it's generally seen as a more polished 360 experience overall. This one is interesting because it blends a very small form factor with truly pro-grade specs. It uses a 1 by 1.3 inch sensor, one of the larger sensors in this category, and shoots 4K at 60 FPS with 10-bit color and D-Log-M. That means rich color depth and more latitude for color grading in post, something creators care a lot about. It also features DJI's excellent rock-steady stabilization, so footage stays smooth even in fast action. And despite being tiny, the Osmo Nano has really clean video quality, especially in good light. What's different here is the dock. It's splash resistant, not fully waterproof, so you'll need extra housing for deep water adventures. But for walkthroughs, city vlogs, rides, POV biking, and creative shots, it's a powerful tiny camera. This one feels like the best choice for creators who want high quality plus small size, without going full 360 or tiny wearable. So that's the best action cameras you can buy in 2026. Let me know which one you're thinking about buying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.